This is Aquia Landing Park in Stafford, Virginia. This park is situated at the confluence of the Potomac River and Aquia Creek. This is a small park with poor parking, pavilions to rent, picnic tables, and horseshoe pits. This park was popular with birders, and there were no swimming signs and a snake habitat warning sign. See the links below for the Virginia Department of Wildlife resource page, the Stafford County Parks main page, and the connecting YouTube commercial for the park, and click the like button if you enjoyed exploring here with us at VR Virtual Studio.